Top 10 effective Twitter ads. 1. Split test your Twitter ads. Making an A and B testing will help you to better understand your target marketing better. 2. Optimize your Twitter bio. When you optimize your bio and focus on showcasing your brand's personality, you draw traffic to your online persona. 3. Tweet during peak hours. Now this might sound expensive or maybe counterproductive, but make sure to tweet during peak hours. Yes, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday have a higher click-through rate for a reason. There is more traffic. Setting your budget to accommodate peak hours can get you the most bang for your buck. Number 4, determine your goals. Like with anything, determine your goals for your campaign. Here are a list of some possible goals. Generate leads, draw more general awareness to your company, promote special offers to new potential customers. Whatever the goals are, stay focused and know what the end result should be. Number 5, make sure you are keeping an eye out for social media influencers. When you monitor the tone of the discussion and even work together with social media influencers, you can drive the engagement, not the other way around. Number 6, no hashtags. Don't include hashtags or mentions in your promoted tweets. Hashtags and mentions, when included in a tweet, become clickable links, which means people might click on the hashtag or the mention instead of your call to action. This is counterproductive and not what we want. It is important that in every Twitter ad, the only clickable element is your call to action button. Number 7, add images to your tweets. By adding visual interest to your tweets, you are much more likely to draw interest. Remember, you only have seconds at best to draw attention to yourself. Use it wisely. Number 8, polls. Conducting polls are a great way to engage with your audience and see what they are interested in, concerned about, and care about. Understanding this and knowing more about them, your clients, will help you to better target your audience and get them to engage with you by clicking your engagement clicks. Number 9, use creative CTAs. Here is a list of effective CTAs. Follow us. Visit our site. Shop our sales. Download here. Learn more. Vote for your favorite product. You get the idea. You've got this. And finally, number 10, remember you must stand out. The average lifespan of a tweet is a few minutes. In fact, thousands of tweets are created each minute. Start with the basics of your Twitter profile and expand from there. Make sure you choose a profile photo that is your brand's logo. This will help your CTRs. And finally, here's a list of the helpful resources that made this video all possible. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.